In today's reading, there was something said that we should infill every activity of the day,
Uh-huh.
and
No.
fortunately, we chose the same subject for today morning session in Australia, New Zealand.
Okay.
And after the session, I was doing bit of contemplating on this line, and someone told me they are going for a blood test. Then I was thinking, how can that be made spiritualized? Then a thought
Okay.
came to me that we can call it that instead of doing a blood test, we are donating the blood. Because if someone go for blood test, the other person get opportunity to serve and do their job. Is that a right thinking, Swamiji? To
No, no, you have made it very gross actually. Not that way.
yeah.
See, spiritual yadyat karma karomi tattadagilam shambhota varadhanam. That is what has been told by Swamiji. So whatever we do, that should be a puja. That should be a worship. It is possible only if you lead a good life. Basically, when you do a good life, then why, as suppose you sit and do in your puja room, you do a worship. Whereas what exactly Swamiji wants is that while you are doing your work in your office, when you are writing a program in your computer, that should also be identical with the worship you are doing in your prayer room. You understand me? Whatever
These are
activity you do, that should be a worship of God. So Gurudev puts three conditions. First is cultivate virtues and eradicate vices. Remember God constantly. Spiritualize all your activities. These are the three-pronged sadhana. Cultivate virtues and eradicate vices. Keep the mind devoid of all wrong things, no negative thoughts. And the second thing is continuously remember God. In the back of your mind, whatever activity you are doing, in the back of your mind, you should have the constant remembrance of God. For that, the example given is, suppose if a girl dancing, and then she has a pot of water on her head, and with that she dances. While she is doing the dance, while she is moving her hands, legs, etc., to the rhythm and the music, she is always aware that the water pot is on her head, and she will never shake her head. So likewise, whatever activities we are doing, in the back of our mind, there should be a thought of God actually. Then automatically all your activities are spiritualized. Whether you go for blood test or you do the blood test, this is that function. In the back of your mind, you have got the thought of God actually. When you are doing a service, when you are doing your activity also, you are remembering God and you do it as if it is a worship. It is not that activity is an worship. The, the attitude behind that, all the activities of worship. And that's the last line of a sloka where he says, Atmatvam girijamadi sakajara prana shariram griham puja te vivisopabhogarajana nidra samadhi sthiti sanchara patayo pratakshana vidhi yadyat karma karomi tattadagilam shambho tavaradhanam. You see, we do the parikrama of a temple, go around the temple. Suppose if you are going around your office or walking in a park, that also should be identical to or should be equal to the parikrama you are doing. When you do a parikrama to a temple, you know that there is an idol. You believe that the God is there, and you are doing the parikrama. You are this perambulating or circumambulating that. So when you go around a tree in a park, then also you feel that Bhagwan is sitting there. With that feeling, if you do that perambulation, then it is as good as parikrama. So sanjara padayo pradakshina vidhi. wherever I go, I am going around you only. It is, yeah, I am circumambulating you. I am doing that parikrama to you. I am doing that pratakshina to you. So that is the attitude actually. So whatever work we do it as a worship. Whether you are donating the blood or taking the blood for test purpose. So the attitude behind that. So this has connection with that because you are identifying yourself with the divinity. So whatever you do is divine.
Ji Swamiji. Swamiji, taking this further to a bit of more gross example at work. Let us say we are in a meeting room and we try to follow that, yes, we will do it as a worship. But there is, let's say there's 8 people in the meeting and there's a lot of people try to become aggressive. Some will hide the information and that kind of things go on, some politics. So how we tackle that with that attitude? That it is a worship. If we sit quiet and it becomes.
You have to take decisions. You have to take decisions according to the situation, but you should always be noble in your outlook. Actually, let the other man cheat. You understand that he is cheating. You tell him that you are trying to cheat me. Kindly don't do that. In a way of worship you can do. Suppose if you are handling your son who is doing a wrong thing, how will you handle? You will be handling. Suppose if your father or mother is doing something which you don't like, how will you do that? The very same way you can do that. No, this is wrong. We cannot do that.
Yes,
you can do that yourself.
Right, Swamiji. Okay, that was nice, Swamiji. Many thanks.